Well, this will make it a lot easier. I had to remove them bottom two pieces because I just couldn't get to all this. I probably spent 40 hours just sanding all this here. These were just so impossible to get. Use a pocket knife, sandpaper, and it just wasn't cutting it. Good 40 hours, and now it'll be easy work. I'll probably get that done in an hour, hour and a half. Get all this finished. Get these inside pieces that I couldn't get right there where it's dark. Get that. Then I'll be done. Then I'm ready to start refinishing. That's been 120 hours, maybe 140, 150. But we're getting close. We're getting there. Well, finally done with the final sanding. Repaired that major crack. And we're ready to start staining. Probably tomorrow. This has been nothing but torture on my hands, fingers. Oh, mercy. But it's starting to look really, really good, and won't take long to get finished. About 4 coats, and then putting everything back together, which is going to be torture as well. But yeah, we're getting really close to being finished and looking forward to it. Well, we finally cleaned the back of the cabinet yesterday. It's definitely spider proof. That's just some of the sandpaper that I used. I'm getting ready to use a tack cloth, and then I'm going to put a coat of stain on. They'll be the first coat of stain. I still need to clean that dial off really well. Okay, till later. I cleaned all the spider webs out yesterday, cleaned the cabinet on the inside, finished fine sanding, and it's ready to use a tack cloth on it and then put a coat of stain. But yeah, here's just some of the sandpaper. And yeah, you always have to use a tack cloth. Make sure all the dust is out, and it really picks it up well. Okay, cloth, then first coat of stain. Okay. Wiped it off, the tack cloth's still picking up light film, so let's get this finished. Well, that's a tack cloth. It still was filthy even after a good cleanup. So always use a tack cloth before you put the first coat on. Well, that's the first coat. I kind of don't like how this turned out. Turned out kind of terrible. I'm hoping the second coat will be a little bit better. The sides turned out really nice. And the base actually turned out real nice. Still see where the nails are at, but that's okay. I think by the third coat it will cover it. This is a bad spot where I goofed up. Can be fixed. And we're gonna wait till tomorrow, put the second coat on, and we're gonna really get them little bubbles out of there. Yeah, we just went over it with steel wool, and all them little bubbles are off of there. And I think it's looking pretty good. And I'm gonna use a tack cloth, clean it up real good, and maybe even use 2 of them. Depends how filthy it is. And then we're gonna put the second coat on. I got my 4 coats on. Consider myself being done. Don't know what to do about them brush strokes on here though. Looks good. Even looks good where I had that one slat just crack. Don't even remember if it's this one or this one. It's one of these two. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Time to start putting it back together. Yeah, this speaker. And I went and picked out a cover. And this is the pattern. The slats will be blocking a lot of it, but that's okay. Should be pretty well centered. Okay. There's the work. Still a mess. Yeah, here it is. Speaker is in. Wires connected. Though I noticed there's 4 bulbs that are bad. One up there, that one, this one, and this one. Yeah, you can tell it's kind of bad. But anyway, it's finished. I'm ready to wrap it up. The shroud, I guess you call it. And here you go. Like I said, 250 hours easy. Maybe 270. I lost track. I got so tired. Okay, we're done. Now here we go. It's finished. Replace the buttons. They're not set exactly straight, but it is what it is. And it's got its permanent residence. And I'm kind of proud of the way it turned out.